Meaning of discreditable.
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 Discreditable. Discreditable refers to something that brings shame or disgrace, or causes a loss of reputation. When something is discreditable, it may damage an individual's or organization's standing in society, and lead to a loss of trust and respect from others. It can also have long-lasting negative effects on the individual or organization's future opportunities and relationships. Therefore, it is important to avoid engaging in discreditable behavior and to maintain a reputation for honesty and integrity. Failure to do so can have serious consequences for one's personal and professional life.